Hey guys! I'm Preston.
And I'm Krista.
We are two people from New York who love to travel, eat, and create memorable experiences. So this video is a little bit different. As you may have seen him before, we do have a very important third member in our family. His name is Lord Waffle, the fluffy, one-toothed cat.
And whenever we travel, we do feel a little bit guilty leaving him behind. So as cat parents, we want to do something a little bit special this year for his birthday, and we have made him a gourmet, exquisite birthday cake just for cats.
So this is our first time, and we're really hoping that he's gonna enjoy it at the end. So fingers crossed, and I hope he likes it. Should we get started?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Do you have any idea what we're doing? Nope. Happy birthday, Wasp!
Look.
He doesn't even see it.
Look.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Hey, look. Look what Mommy and Daddy made for you.
Wow, he doesn't even care. Look. Wow, your cake is finally here. Your cake is finally here. And you were a little cheeky boy. You stole a little piece of chicken earlier. What are you doing? This is not ready yet. It's not ready yet, Wops. Oh dear. Oh dear.
No.
Oh, he got a piece.
Ay.
No.
Okay, that's it for you. That's
Such
it
a little
for
terror.
you.
Oh my gosh. But Mommy and Daddy tried so hard and made this masterpiece for you.
We hope you enjoy it. Don't break our hearts by rejecting it. But what do you think? What do you think?
We hope you like it, Wops. We hope you like it. We hope you like it. All right.
Time to taste your cake.
Yes, he likes it. Like it, buddy? All that waiting paid off.
Oh my gosh, she loves it.
I think this cake was a hit. Oh, he ate a pea. The first pea he ever had. You got some chicken and tuna in there, Wops. You got sweet potato. You got peas. Oh man, one happy cat. He's like, just please be quiet, let me eat. How's it, Wops? Do you like it? Do you know that I'm talking to you? Doesn't care.
He's so focused on his cake. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Wops! Happy birthday! He's like, this is amazing. Now feed me this every day.
Oh, he ate the frosting!
Oh, he's eating everything. Oh my god.
Does he like the peas?
Oh my god.
Gosh.
Wow, he's going to town. He's spilling on the table and he's still licking those little morsels. He's like, I'm not gonna waste anything. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this was completely worth it. All that work, all that stress and anxiety that we had, worrying that he wouldn't eat it. This just made everything worth it right here.
He's licking the little sweet potato puree. He's so cute.
Cake was a success!
Yay!
He doesn't even care that we're here. He's like, I'm just gonna eat. But look how much he ate already. KK. Oh man.
We did it! Happy birthday, Waffy!
Happy birthday, Wobbs. Happy birthday.
I love you, my boy.
Thank you again for watching. We appreciate you guys. If you want to see more videos of Lord Waffle, comment down below. # Lord Waffle. But we're gonna stop talking and let him be, and let him enjoy the birthday cake that he so deserves. Ciao!
Sayonara!
Sayonara! This is the carnage. In one sitting, he ate about half. Hey, KK. Hey! Are you done, Woffs? Oh, hold on. We got movement. Oh, I think he wants to come down.
Okay.
Alright, I think he wants to come down.
That was impressive. That was the highest I've ever seen him jump.
How was it? Did you like it? You ate so much. I'm so proud of you.
His